Okay, so let's start today's session. Hope you are safe and healthy. Yes, okay, yes. Okay, then fine. Let's start today's session. Hope you all are good and fine. So we all have only 6 days left for JEE mains. So it's a little short time, but I will tell you some few points I did in my preparation also. So the best thing you can do in this time, that is try to meditate all the things you learned in the few past 2 years or 4 years or 1 years of your preparation. Means like that you can't do any new chapter in these 6 days. It's impossible. And you all know that JEE Mains contains 105 chapters. So it will be very difficult to cover all the chapters in these 6 days. So I will tell you some short points you can do in these 6 days. So first thing you should do, that don't be panic. Okay, just pick up one chapter. Let's say in physics you can go pick first Newton's law of motion, then friction, then rotational motion. So first pick one chapter, then go through all the formulas you know about the chapter. It will take some 10 or 15 minutes. So just go through all the formulas that will contain at that chapter, and just write down that in a single page, and then try to memorize again and again that formulas that you have, because JEE Mains is based on the questions of JEE Mains will be based on simple application or some formulas. I think okay, some formulas, and that will be okay for you. You can solve all the questions. That's not very big issue. So write down all the formulas, and then try to solve 10 or 15 questions of that chapter within half or 1 hour. Okay, so means I want to say that by covering 10 to 15 questions, you can check that whether you are able to apply the concepts in that particular question or not within a 2 minutes time. Cause JEE Mains will be 30 plus 30 plus 30, total of 90 questions, each of 4 marks. So total will be 360 marks. So you have to devote 2 minutes or maximum 3 minutes in a particular one single question. So first of all, in that way you can practice questions by your own. But now I think please don't take any new chapter in that time, cause it's impossible to cover 100% of the syllabus or 105 chapters in these short days. And one thing most important is time management techniques. Means you have to manage time properly. That is you can't devote 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a particular question. Means जो क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है उसे वही छोड़ के आगे निकलना चाहिए. जैसे कि आप जब टेस्ट देने जाओगे तब सपोज यू विल पिक अ क्वेश्चन. आपको लग गया कि वो जो कंसेप्ट है वो कैसे लगाना है, एंड you applied and you solved. Okay, that will take 2 minute time and it will earn you 4 marks. That's okay, that's fine. But whenever you will solving questions in JEE Mains, suppose एक क्वेश्चन आया, उसको आपको सॉल्व करने में 10 minutes लग गए, तो it will be a waste of time 10 minutes. So time management technique is important in JEE Mains, cause time is only 3 hours and you have to solve the questions with proper accuracy. That's the important. So while solving questions, first we have total of 3 hours. So first hour you should give for the easy questions. Means while starting a paper of JEE Mains, you should try to select the most easiest questions in the paper. Like in I guess I sorted out first chemistry paper that inorganic portion and organic portion will be doable. Means if you learned the basic things and mugging the new chapters, or like I think I am remembering some bio related chapters were there in the JEE means NCERT based chapters. So the last chapter of chapter 13, chapter 12 in my time in the NCERT. So first mark the questions you know better, means like some theoretical questions, that may be some theoretical questions or some knowledge based questions. So do that questions you know the answer correct, or you know the answer better in within 1 hour. So target to solve 40 to 50 questions in 1 hour if you are targeting for a 200 marks in out of 360 marks. So that's a decent marks. Okay, so try to solve easy questions in within 1 hour. Then next 1 hour give for मीडियम क्वेश्चंस आई वांट टू से दैट कि आपको थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करना होगा और उसके बाद आंसर निकल के आएगा. सो पुट दैट क्वेश्चंस इन मीडियम कैटेगरी, एंड लास्ट इट विल बी ऑफ हार्ड क्वेश्चंस. सो in a JEE Mains paper 70% of the paper will be easy. Okay, so easy and medium, so you can do it by your own self, and remaining 30% paper will be like some medium or hard based. 10% will be almost hard, you know, you can touch that questions in that paper, and within 3 hours if you got stuck with a hard question, and means then you not be able to find any medium or easy questions, cause आपका mental stability पूरा हिल जाएगा अगर पेपर में कोई hard question सामने आ जाए तो. सो easy and medium क्वेश्चन करने से आपको easily 200 और 200 to 250 के अराउंड मार्क्स तो मिल ही जाएगा, एंड 200 to 250 के अराउंड मार्क्स you will be able to get a 1000 or maybe some within 5000 rank. Okay, so that's going about how to solve your paper. And then I want to tell you about make a strategy to solve the paper confidently. Okay, don't be panic in these 6 days, it will harm your JEE preparations. And ये तो पेपर हो गया. हाँ, in case of I am now telling about the overall division about the paper. In case of physics, questions from Newton's law of motion, friction, rotational motion will be easy, so you can solve easily the mechanics portion. Okay, then coming about the chapter fluid mechanics and fluid mechanics, dynamics types of chapters, elasticity, viscosity, these types of chapters, I think only formula based questions like as viscous force और समथिंग कि आपको कोई पिक दे दिया, उसके अंदर सिर्फ NLM का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करना है और फ्लूइड का थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करना है, तो वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. मीन्स यू कैन सी ना दैट क्वेश्चंस लाइक कि ये सब क्वेश्चंस अच्छे से आप सॉल्व कर पाओगे. एंड लेट्स कम अबाउट इलेक्ट्रोडायनेमिक्स पार्ट. इलेक्ट्रोडायनेमिक्स EMI मीन्स इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस जो चैप्टर है, और इंडक्शन. हाँ, इंडक्शन जो ये 3-4 जो चैप्टर्स है टोटल, जो क्लास 12th वाले चैप्टर्स है, सो इससे वो मीन्स अच्छे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस देते हैं. दे विल गिव अ काइंड ऑफ मीडियम टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दैट चैप्टर. सो you have to be prepared with more logical questions. Means not only practicing the previous year JEE Mains paper, but also you have to practice some good materials questions. Like I think you all followed some particular material in this 2 years or 4 years or 1 years of your preparation. You can take some medium or hard questions from that topics. Basically electrodynamics and electromagnetic induction is very much important chapter. So they will give some good questions from that chapter. And now I'm talking about this is for physics, okay. And then for chemistry, inorganic and organic portion will be easy, means go through. For inorganic section I will tell that go through all the equations, write down, and एक्चुअली हमें भी तो बहुत कन्फ्यूजन्स होता था कौन सी पीपीटी का कलर कौन सा है. एटलीस्ट ये तो देखना ही चाहिए फॉर जेई मेंस कि पीपीटीज और उनके कलर्स और उनके रिएक्शंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट्स होते हैं. कुछ तो ऐसे फेमस रिएक्शंस है वो तो जेई मेंस पूछते ही रहते हैं. हैलोफॉर्म रिएक्शंस मुझे तो एक दो अभी याद आ रहा है. सो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर विद दैट, ओके. एंड इनऑर्गेनिक के लिए आपको याद तो करना ही होगा सब कुछ. Mugging is the only way to catch up with inorganic chemistry, okay. And now for physical chemistry, chemical kinetics is most important chapter, means chemical kinetics, thermodynamics, thermochemistry, and I think one more chapter, electrochemistry. Yeah, electrochemistry and chemical kinetics and thermodynamics, these chapters will be most important. and वो chemical kinetics के naturally कोई भी एक organic reaction से वो लोग order निकालने के लिए देते हैं या ऐसे questions को वो जेईई मेंस में बहुत आते हैं. तो इस टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना, मीन्स प्रीवियस ईयर के पेपर को देख के आपको एक जनरल आइडिया हो जाएगा कि किस टाइप्स के क्वेश्चंस आते. तो उस टाइप्स के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने से, अभी तो जैसे कोई न्यू क्वेश्चंस हम कर नहीं सकते तो प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस करना होगा. एंड फॉर ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में तो सब कुछ याद ही करना होता है, तो कोई इशू नहीं हो. एंड फॉर मैथमेटिक्स आई विल से दैट फॉर जेईई मेंस मैथमेटिक्स पेपर विल बी लिटिल बिट चैलेंजिंग. मीन्स in last year at my time 2019 they gave there was two shift, so left that point. They gave medium to hard level questions in mathematics. Means my first JEE mains at 2019 जो January वाला JEE mains था उसमें they give like easy to moderate type questions maximum total, but the questions were too much lengthy that you can't solve more than 15 questions in 1 hour time, okay. Means that questions were too much lengthy, means too much calculative, and the space means that was hectic. So you have to pick up most easy questions from the paper. Means I think coordinate geometry you can check by options also. Means not that मैंने कोई क्वेश्चन देखा उसमें ये फॉर्मूला लगेगा, उसमें हमें कैसे अप्रोच करना है वो सोचना बंद कर दो. अब थोड़ा मतलब ट्राई टू थिंक लाइक थोड़ा ट्रिकली सोचो कि कौन से ऑप्शन से वो क्वेश्चन हिट हो जाए. मीन्स कभी कभी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएगा जेईई मेंस में मैथ्स पे बेसिकली कि कुछ पॉइंट्स पे सेटिस्फाइड होगा तो वो 4 ऑप्शन से कोई एक पॉइंट सेटिस्फाई होगा तो दैट्स नॉट द करेक्ट वे, बट दैट विल सेव योर टाइम. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट as much as you can questions within 1 or 2 hours. If you give 1 hour for mathematics, that will be not enough to satisfy yourself. But I will say that कि 15 questions mathematics में थोड़ा easy to moderate level का ही होगा, तो you have to solve that questions first. And then for the hard questions in mathematics I will tell that don't attempt that. If you have enough time to complete that questions, then go for it, okay. Otherwise you should have to leave that questions, cause that will give you most panic. And JEE Mains paper is not like ki I will left that attitude that I will solve more questions in that JEE Mains. Just know that how much I know and how much I can put in that paper, okay. So try to solve easy and moderate questions of whole the paper. You can easily get 250 to 270 marks. And now the most important point is about accuracy. If you solve like 50 questions properly, but you mistake 4 to 5 questions, that's also okay. But if you plan to solve 50 questions, that will earn you 200 marks. 50 questions with accuracy, 100% accuracy, that will give you 200 marks. But if you make some mistakes in that paper, make some mistakes in like of 10 questions you get wronged, then not only it will lose of 40 marks, but also you know that one question is of 4 marks and with one -1 negative marking, means total of 5 marks you lose. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, means be confident with one question that हमें इसका proper answer पता है, then go for it, then mark that option. Okay, and please don't hesitate to do any question. Means if you see a question and thought that that question will give me some that is medium or hard, I'm not guessing it. Many students can face that problem, that I'm not be able to see whether this question is easy or moderate or hard level question. Left that at that point, cause it will be better to choose easy questions in first 10 or 15 minutes in that paper. That will lead you full marks in that paper. Okay, and that's all about. So before this 6 days, please don't go through any new chapters. That's please go through your old chapters, old concepts and old theories. And one more important thing, that is if possible, then solve previous year JEE Mains paper. Past 15 years will be enough to solve, so you can bear with that. And the most important thing is stay healthy, stay safe, cause 6 days is left here. And anything question you can if you have any questions, you can tell in this comment box. I will answer that. If you have any questions, you can tell me in this comment box. I will answer.